Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ford Ranger XL Fleet. This two-door truck has a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power steering, battery saver, child seat anchors, stability control, traction control, and trailer hitch. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.